Malaysia's #1 insulation film brand. Embrace the present. Looking to the future. Raytech, Malaysia's #1 thermal film brand, has been awarded the Malaysia Books of Records for the most number of automotive film installations in a year. Raytech is now internationally recognized and expanding rapidly to 12 countries. As we move towards our 20th anniversary, Raytech continues to innovate to bring unique products and services to our customers.
From honesty and integrity, step by step finally, in 2020 and 2022, we put down the record of the most number of car insulation film installations in a year. We were also recognized by Malaysia Books of Records as the #1 in the industry. Over the past 2 decades, Raytech has continued to innovate, utilizing high technology from the United States to develop world-class products that provide customers with the highest quality experience and contribute to energy conservation and carbon reduction. 20 years later, we are still at the top of our game, with over 40 outlets throughout Malaysia. Having served millions of loyal customers over the years, Raytech not only has a series of exciting visions and blueprints for growth, but also understands that these goals can only be achieved through the quality of service provided by our team. We believe that our employees and franchisees Our achievements are not only due to the wisdom of the leadership decision-making, but also because of the hard work of the team members in the silence. Because of the selfless dedication to the brand, there is a common glory of our Raytech family. As long as we are closely united and believe in persistence, Raytech will usher in a more brilliant future. Tonight, we have the honor to gather together in addition to celebrating the achievements of the past year, but also to take this opportunity to praise you 100% for the superior performance. Raytech, hand in hand, win-win cooperation.